So I get asked pretty often, hey, Mark, is Hawthorn Home Exteriors James Hardie certified? And so it's a complicated question to answer because James Hardie doesn't technically certify anyone. But what I will say is I always recommend that clients specifically look for contractors that work heavily with James Hardie. So in our case, we are a James Hardie elite level contractor, meaning we do a pretty high volume of Hardie installs every year. We carry very high Google rating and then are likely to recommend scores, meaning the clients that use us are very highly likely to recommend us to another neighbor or homeowner. That's what allows us to be an elite contractor. Both of our installers are also Sidemaster Academy trained. So it means they've gone through the Hardie specific training on knowing all the best practices, making sure that we're doing everything, quote, by the book. And so myself, I used to work for James Hardie directly. So I used to train contractors myself on proper installation methods. As the owner of Hawthorn, we're really proud of the fact that we know our Hardie forwards and backwards. And so Hardie is what we do every single day of the year. And we make sure that we do it exactly by the book, if not taking it a step beyond in a few different areas where we feel like we can add additional protection to the home above and beyond the James Hardie recommended methods. Even though Hardie doesn't specifically certify anyone, I do recommend you find a Hardie contractor that works with Hardie darn near every day because it is one of those specialized products where the installation matters a whole lot on how well your home's going to perform, as well as maintaining your warranty and making sure that it performs for many, many years. When you look at a high quality James Hardie installer versus, say, new construction. So in St. Louis, we see a lot of new neighborhoods that are getting James Hardie put on these new homes. And yes, they might meet minimum specification requirement. There's a pretty large difference between some of the new construction homes, and no offense to the new builders, but I think their mentality is more just get the home done and move on type thing. Whereas when we work on your home specifically, the siding is the entire project, not just a small component of what we're doing. So we're very focused on the fit and finish details, as well as being clean around your house and making sure we don't damage plants and destroy your property. I think there is a very big gap between kind of quick new construction Hardie install versus remodel James Hardie installation. So, and again, part of that though comes down to choosing a contractor that's very familiar with Hardie, works with it every day, and making sure that we can give you the best possible installation for your home.